Okay, welcome back. This is still the same podcast with the same iconic Magesh. I think we're iconic already. Yeah. So, manje, man, there's something interesting that I've been seeing creating a buzz social media.
Yeah,
Artist Scout.
sure.
That competition. Take us through it.
Competition.
That where we vote.
Oh.
I want to be.
Is it bad?
You see
Yeah,
that one,
is it
Artist
bad?
Scouts.
Yeah.
I think.
Okay, I think dating le hlanganisana noma uba nomakhado Ricky.
Okay.
Yeah, I think into yakhe dating. That's one. So I came across it one of my page wami ku Facebook. That's one. Sema ngibhizi ngiscroll lapha ngiyabona bo Nkosazana daughter yabo. Ngahlangana naye yabo ngathi azini athi ngizami. That's one into. Because of khona ama mama if nawazi. Mama awards. Yeah, ngiyele ngawangena last year. I don't know what happened. Yeah, it's all I was screwed or kambani or mhlambe mawavotela mina bavotela omunye umuntu. Yeah, so because of it was my first time entering a competition there. Yeah, it's all. So many people voted. Many people voted. Abangani bam thole bo ma 20 ama votes. Yeah, it's all and the airtime le.
Yeah.
So kwenzakala ukuthi okay sharp I attended the ceremony yabo. Unfortunately angwinanga yabo negama lami azange libonakala la but bangithumele iposter enesithombe sami yethola so inhliziyo yami yababhlungu yabo because of ngiyela ngithi le ngibuya nayo ekhaya ngibuya nayo igasi yabo so ngithazi nithi like ngingenelele yabo and then ngibona khambani.
But I think ama challenges onwabhekayo yazi as ama artists maningena or when you are heading up no problems but dreams delayed not denied sewalanda futhi ngisi.
Exactly.
So buya now nayo le. So where do we vote?
Okay sharp I think into le everywhere yangipostile yabo just ukuthi ngikhohlela ama number wakhona. Yeah, but you can find it naku WhatsApp ngihlezi ngeposter yabo. Even naku Facebook, Instagram.
Okay.
Ngiyathola ngayithola vele lapha.
So SMS e1 nithi imalini?
It's a cost 150.
150.
Yeah.
And then we can vote as many times as we want.
Ngiyacela tu sibuye nayo.
Sibuye nayo.
Yeah, sibuye nayo.
1426 sibuye nayo.
Nginama medal we disc, nginama man of the tournament but music anginayo.
Yeah, okay. Your music
not yet, yabo. Yeah.
You know, I'm actually thinking to myself, but ngokabana ufuna ukucabangela ngaphandle.
Yeah.
I learned about you from Urifile.
Okay.
And you are an artist yaseKasi yaseThokoza.
Sure.
And nami ngumhlali waseThokoza.
Yeah.
Yabo.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Didn't say that.
Yeah.
Kuna lento le siyibiza ukuthi i-rejection especially kuma artists yabo because I've nokufunda kuma even kuma Facebook ama artists abaya especially from Kayekas they say that siyawa rejecta as
Yeah.
support and all of that whereas we don't even know about them.
Sure.
Yabo like zikhona mhlawumbe indlela wena ozama ngazo for us to be familiar ngomusic wakho and all of that because for the fact that mina ngiwe MK umuntu ohambayo I recently learned about you that means bangaba there's a lot about me especially Kayekas.
Yeah.
So what is your plan towards leyo nto leyo and I see ukuthi kune pressure yama votes nama votes yabo so you know abanye abantu they don't want to just vote because Kayekas late they want to vote because of the sound
Sure.
ozwakala nayo.
Yeah.
So ithini plan yakho ke ngokus keep her up to date with that?
Alright, mina ngi-out like yabona mang off.
Sure.
Yeah, only 2 days yabo. I like to ukuthi ngipush ispan. That's why as feeling ngishilo eli ukuthi ukuhlala nje empedeni or esofeni yabo. Like delay something lengabe ngiyenzile earlier uyangithola into le. So I rejection ikhona nami ngirejectwe kabaya yabo. I had one of the best songs mina ngibiza kanjalo one of my best songs like us called like amasorbenzo feature umhlakasi ugesi umngani wami yabo. So I went there first time, second time, third time rejection yabo. I even sent kuma email awabo yetwa, but I didn't pull through yetwa lento le. Ang reject nana ngazi bangitshela ngequality yengoma. I went through like iSoweto yetwa mastering yetwa ngithole feda ama Hotman, but still yabo. So rejection ikhona like everywhere yetwa. Like phuma ku like ku as a person ukuthi ithatha kanjani.
Okay.
Yetwa lento le. Mina like dading le mina zange ngithathe ay azinathingeke yonke lento le yetwa. Yeah.
So, you know, abantu ababhayi, especially ama-artists, when they're looking for a support like that is more formal, they go kuma offices nanani banokha like door to door, bacela ama-record label amakhulu ukuthi usign mfethu.
Sure.
Yabo. How do you actually promote music wakho wena?
Alright. Njengoba usho ukuthi siyakokota.
Yeah.
Yetwa labo mangwana abasivulile yetwa. One time ngiphethe eyakwami shuthi uncle lami yabo ehlala eThembisa uBobzin, shout out. So one time like sele sathazi awuthi serious ke namhlanje yethola sajika le eSandton sathi samlando oskilo
Sure.
samlando uSpeaker yethola ngoba bese sitholile ukuthi babloma va yethola. We went there, I think ubonile Vandag weather benjani yethola befana but bekunemvula nyane. We went there yethola shuthi manje shaya isidala ngiphethe idisk yetho ngapha siphethe ne-USB sithi soshiya yonke lemihlolo le yethola basimamele kunama number wethu lapha plus na kule disk sibhalile la yethola. We went there, unfortunately ama Hotman azange siwathole bathi ahamba izolo. I think it's Nigeria yethola ani tour yethola lento le. So even that hiding there, azange ngislow it down. I think it was 4 years back if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So I kept on like push vele. Yeah, it's all and all. That's why it's even the audit lam told very studio set it's all push it's all. So every day I market myself. Yeah, it's all. Nanoma kuyini. Yeah, it's all. The content is very important. I mean, I will tell you. Mhlambe yabona ama big artists mawuceda fela ukurelease music, there's content izwakala. Yeah, thola into le. Pushe ku TikTok, iyabhadala Vandag TikTok, Facebook iyabhadala thola, Instagram as well thola. So mina ngipusha nanoma ipi content ngiyapusha. Freestyle everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So manje angithi sishilo sihlale kasi Thokoza. So would you say ukuthi Thokoza iyanipha i-platform khulisa talent leni? Like ukuya ngawe, does Thokoza give you a platform to say izolikhulisa talent lami?
Ezingila sekasi 1426 ninkayile platform yabo. So it does. Yeah, it's all into. Sometimes ukuya like nge-artist yabo ukuthi upusha kanjani. Yeah, it's all ngibuye kulento ye rejection le. Abanye abantu like mina ndo tatala bang reject azini ayifok ngiyayeka lento.
Yeah, so I think vela ama chance akhona. I think what you're saying is true. Ama artist amanye afuna ukuzivalela but afuna support at the same time.
Sure.
Yebo. So we have young artists ababheke kini.
Yeah.
Right?
Sure.
Ubagayida kanjani? Bafika ukuthi Magesh yazi I have this idea ukuthi ngifuna ukuba i-artist ngifuna ukucula, but how do I go into that space? Ngenza njani? Ngiqala kuphi?
Research.
Okay.
Yabona before wenza lento le umhlambe uyayithanda lento le but you don't have any passage. Yeah, it's all. Like umnyango ongavula. Research. Yeah, it's all lento le funda. Yeah, it's all lento le, and then if maybe khona some artist, yeah, it's all lento le omthandayo, learn a lot from him or her. Yeah, it's all lento le. Khona babizana ama documentary. Yeah, so mina like ngihlezi ngibheke wona yebo abo Prokit abo Quest yetho the way bebabhayiseka ngakhona la vele baqale khona yetho lento le. So like I learn yetho so to tell intwana feel ifuna ukucala yetho lento le research intwana yami lento le ine roots inesiko yetho lento le uyithanda into oyenzayo yetho le imali izoza kamuva. You must love what you do. Yeah, it's all into it. Yeah. So mawucalile lento le, don't give up. Uyangithola into le. Iqhube. Mhlambe that's the only dream ezokukhipha egas. Yetho ezobeka fili ukudla etafuleni.
I feel like you are slowly deriving into la ngikufuna khona.
Yeah.
All right, I see.
Do you see artistry industry nje as a whole as a business or just a way to express yourself?
It's both for me.
It's both.
It's both.
Okay.
It's both.
Do you take yourself as an artist kanjenge brand or do you take your music kanjenge brand?
As the into le ifana like in the music video. Yeah, it's all into le.
Yes.
Most elama artist la. Uthola umuntu push brand. Yeah, it's all but uma music video akaveli ne brand yakhe. Ngikhuluma artistry. Yeah, it's all umuntu push brand kuphela but he or she doesn't do music. Yeah, it's all but kulama video la akaveli ne brand yakhe. Uvela nama Nike, Jordan, yeah, it's all into le. So mina lento le like simple. Yeah, it's all into le.
Yeah.
Sha music video ngise studio ngishafile merchandise yami. Yeah, it's all into. As feeling shilo na ukuthi ni ngele nga slow down va pusha merchandise ezinjalezo. Yabo, va indaba yespan, yabo. But I'm still coming. Yeah, it's all I'm still coming. Namhlanje ngidlala itrefefe ngidikis ngipantsu yabo. But I'm still there kule motion there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll back off it. According to your response, Yaku, you're actually saying that you are also using your music to advertise or to promote a brand Yaku.
Exactly.
My question is, do you think your music
Yeah.
is a brand?
Sure.
Okay. Because I'm actually going back to when you said you guys go to these recording labels, you know,
Yeah.
and try to submit his banners and all of that.
Yeah.
With music being a brand, obviously brand it's something that has to be sold, and it
Sure.
and in the abantu kumele bayithengile bafunile ukuyithenga and all
Yeah.
of that. How do you then make sure bangaba i-brand yakho of which uyo lo music lo uba in demand? Like what types of messages do you bring? What type of a community are you promoting kuwo music wakho?
Music one.
Uyilezi zithi intanga singaphuma ephakini shaya happily yethu and
Yeah.
listen to my music, you're still gonna vibe. Or you can open your laptop yakho,
Yeah.
yenze hustle yakho and then udlala music wami, you're still going to vibe.
Yeah.
Like yephi target othengisa kuyo?
Target ne.
Yeah.
Yabona kulomhlaba esiphila kuwo no. Hey. Siphila emhlabeni amapiano igongongo yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, but my sound ish like ihlukile because of mina ngisimanje manje sayizolo. I mean new age kwaito. Yeah, it's all into le. So mina ngasho ukuthi ngena everywhere. Nomuntu uthanda ipiano, that's why mina ngithi ngimdala. Naw noma ngenza umaphuma ngitshele ngizomtshela indoda ngimdala ngangiboni ngintwana. Yeah, it's ngoba bakho. Yeah, it's one.
Sure.
So mina ngithinta like wonke umuntu. Intwana, gogo omkhulu, bhuti, yeah, it's all. Ngithinta wonke umuntu. Yeah, it's all because of my kwaito like that's why there's kwaito yakudala. Yeah, it's all into mina ngayiswitcha kancane. If you can listen to uQuest. Yeah, it's all. Bona that type of kwaito.
Yeah.
Kwaito feeling ishaya.
I think when you're in the space, say art or any space, you have a goal. Khona la
Yeah.
uthi la ngifuna ukufika khona.
Yeah.
Isina yakho ufuna ukuzibona ukuphi? Say you vision board. Ufuna ukuzibona ukuphi ngemusic?
Ngifuna uzibona ngiva. Okay. Ela ngishilo ngathi bengi security.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all into le. Okay, sharp ku security akumela ngibe nenje. Mina benginenje.
Mina kube nje.
Yeah, mele feli igunde ne. So my goal,
Man, like why ngamela ngube nje security?
I don't know why.
I don't see like
I don't know why. Yeah, it's all. But to answer your
Or maybe abanye
question
nje bayalala mhlawumbe lezi ezithanda ukulala.
maybe afihla ibhamu entshebeni.
bathi kwamele ube clean angithi
So intshebe
yeah ukungcola yeah bathatha izokungcola yabo
okay.
yeah so to answer your question like that's why ngithi I'm not stopping now
Yeah.
uyayithola into le benginentshebe mhlawumbe uyangithola mhlawumbe uyangithola
Yabona besikhulini
Ah, no,
things.
mhlawumbe uyangithola yeah so
Bazongitshela kuma comment.
Yeah, it was
yabona what I'm doing
Yeah.
now mina ngishaya kwaito nya rap out ama punchlines are there uyayithola into le so wanna be the greatest of all time
nice.
Goals.
like
Okay.
one time uyayithola
Shilo
uma
to
hotman igodi na
Ngiyakubona.
uyayithola into le yeah so that's why ngithi ngibhekela like uma hotman ashizilile abhazisekile uyayithola icavale impilo le engiphila manje
Okay.
uyayithola into le impilo yestrata hustling uyayithola into le so I'm not stopping now my goal is to go far ngispani intwana ezincane
Yeah.
uyayithola but not like isound lami ligcine la eMzansi kuphela I know like iveneke kakhulu uyayithola but ngiyithasha file nisilungunyana yabo
But
international
international.
Yeah,
Bacula
ngithola.
i-USA.
ipiano it's international now
International, so I don't
uyangithola
think language is
Yeah.
actually a barrier la.
uyayithola so I'm going far
Yeah, and it's
Yeah.
London.
Okay.
Wherever you go, we are behind you.
yeah
So you are actually still looking for ama recording labels amakhulu ukuthi akusayine.
sure
Or usazoyiphusha
Independent.
ngokwakho lento le.
I'm still praying yabo
Yeah.
I'm still praying njoba like ngiphusha nyabatexta ku Instagram uyayithola
Yeah.
obviously banezinto zabo nabo uyayithola if mhlambe iyafika uyayithola angina choice
Mara do you know ukuthi masosayinwe i-brand
Yeah.
i-artist labo like uyaluza mfethu.
I know
Thola ukuthi bazokunikeza leya contract ye maybe 3 million.
Yeah.
Bathi sokunika i3 million cash and then we'll give you a car in the house.
Yeah.
Yabona? Mawuzicheka lezo zinto lezo zizo range to maybe an amount of 6 million and then but we want maybe 2 or 3 albums for
yeah
you.
yeah sure
What actually sells akusi album ingoma eyi-one. Yabo it only takes a single track ukuthi uploye kakhulu and
yeah
enzele amali.
yeah
But you think on your own unga grow fast enough to a point where ungaba independent other than uba kube na someone ozokudonsa? Let's say bheka upusha i-attire lespansula, you are doing hip hop yabona.
Sure.
Whoever maybe usezimalini says you know what I want to ikuthi brand yami maybe yespansula lo mjida lo makayipromote. You know when they come to you bazok-approacha via i-label
yeah
and then i-label izothatha imali
Sure.
and then wena bakunikeza iy'mpahla ukuthi ugcoke like are you aware of izinto ezinjalo ukuthi obviously
Uyahisheka lapho yeah
yabona thina
yeah
sibona uvanga i-trans
Yeah.
gcoka ini mara epokothini akunayo
Akunafokolo,
I think
yeah.
it's one of ama-diseases
Yeah.
afasele ama-artist
ama-artist abhaya
yeah.
yeah that's why like even ne-research you must research uyayithola hayi wonke lama-label ayafana
Yeah.
awafani uyayithola nayi label fedi yazwakala icova fedi ucash uyayithola into le like angizibhekanga ukuthi ngizohlala la lifetime
You have to lose to make.
yeah nami phela ngithi ngine-movement yami engiyiphushayo uyayithola mhlambe kuleyo label leyo they will slower down i-brand yami izinja lezi i-movement yami i-contract ithi uyangithola yeah so yangisayina because of I want to be heard uyayithola into le yangisayina sharp ngizigaya leso sikhathi leso because of nami I wanna own mine uyangithola into le nami feeling ngiziphushele ngamnani uyayithola into yeah because of le impahla imoda na at the end of the day kwamele ngibeke ukudla phezulu kwetafula uyayithola uma ulili kwamele aphume kasi yeah uyayithola
But manje music is I think ushilo uthi research ne, but it's kind of challenging manje ukuthi abantu do the record songs noma record labels. But how do you trademark ingoma zakho like sesiya ku business manje ukuthi le ingoma yami and akekho umuntu ongayisebenzisa?
yeah
How do you work around that?
like kufana nale episode le episode le angithi mayiphela we playing a song
yeah
like bazokhona ukureportela la copyright whatever to say okay le ngoma le yeka abantwana.
Yeah, I think so. I think so because of me, like I'm a registered artist.
Okay.
Samro, Kapaso, Sampra.
Anamathitha awazazi lezi zinto bayabhala nje barecorda siyacula siyarasa.
As I said earlier, yayithola before uvula lo mnyango ngoba uyayithanda lento le research. Uyayithola lento le ngoba uzongena ukhawathe. Netho nami ngikhawathekile mangicala feel amajita ngoba feel ngiyazi lo ukuthi une studio. Uyayithola. Hayi mfethu ubheka kusasa feel ngizozwakala ngalesikhathi lesi.
Yeah.
Mangifika ayindoda ngivalele. Yathi ngicela ubuye kusasa. Uyangithola?
Yeah.
Kusasa ngimtholi. Kanti awungibhekile lapha yangiyaharadeni ayithola lento le. So
especially bafila ngathi manje yabahlula or you in competition nabo.
Nomona ngaphakathi.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So music nini no record students sakhe but ingoma sekayikhiphile yena.
Uyangithola lento le. Vana ukuthi angithi ufuna imali. Lento le ngi like mina nawe mfethu sa recorder ngirecorda mali into mina engicavayo yethola but ngoba sekunale ngoma lesekayifila umjida yethola lento sekafaka imali ngaphakathi yethola anginamali ndoda mangikokota ngiza the next year ngisamthola umjida ma excuse yabo ezinye izinto like slow down many artists like us yethola.
You know, I think one of izinto like ezisikhulisayo kule industry lena is to have mhlambe abantu or icons esibheka kuwo nathi.
Yeah.
Especially abantu abaku level yethu. I think when I started now on YouTube, I was looking at Discicast. These
Okay.
guys from Palm Beach.
Yeah.
Discicast. When I started like with 0 subscribers, they were on like 5 point something, and then I said, "Nah, competition yam."
Meter.
Yeah, well, no,
Oh.
5,000 something. Yeah,
Oh.
and then I said, "Nah, competition yam." Yeah, well, because I saw them as abantu abaku level yam.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Sure.
all of that. Yeah, well, I admired ispan sabo,
Yeah.
so I wanted to be like them. Akula ngaze ngafika kubo ngandlu
Yeah.
mara. Ningayiboni le video bafethu. But that's not important.
Yeah.
Mangathiwa manginame 5 of ama media houses or ama photographers engibhekelela kuwo or engawa recommenda anywhere if ever mina I cannot make it. Obviously ngabantu that I can mention as well.
Sure.
So for wena as an artist eliku music and all of that, you are doing hip hop kunye kwaito. Imapho amanye amajita that are doing the same thing. Oyazi ukuthi you know what, if ever kuleyo event ku line up yakhona kunamajita so I know bangaba even if ngizoperform number 3 or number 5 or number 1 like level izobifana like izizwakala ngalomlilo nawo zengawo.
Artist like bigger artist, industry artist or from like us
namhlanje
okay.
Abakhona ukuthola you are performing somewhere who do abantu ngaba recommend
Yeah.
hayi mana nyikho
Yeah.
Same energy.
no
same energy ne.
Yeah.
Okay. In no particular order. Yeah, it's all
Yeah.
in no
Doesn't have to
particular
be.
order.
yeah
Uyangithola. Indawo manje lezi iziphushi hip hop kakhulu. Mara feel my boy Tashkent.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all.
sabanga maboko
Yeah.
Yeah.
My boy Tashkent. Twist.
Udumengani.
Tashkent.
Tashkent
Yeah.
is a hip hop artist.
This is raw like your Tupac or
Nah, your MT.
yabo Lil Wayne, yabo
No.
MT.
Yeah, your MT.
Yeah.
it's
He's
all.
also quite
Iris, it's all and all. Yeah.
Okay.
Izinja feeling izithembile Tashkent niyakubu Twist.
Nice.
Yeah, it's all.
Okay.
Dope Flop. Muzmoka. Yeah, can name Undlamvini.
Why I can name Undavin.
Indaba babhaya. Yabo. Like I can go as like 10.
Because in a talent kahle
Yeah,
Yeah.
his talent
Yeah,
like
it's all. Like abantu abangayipusha like
and
same
imagine
level or
we go back to lento bengisho ukuthi igama lakho and your artistry name right you can name ama artist ngithi angwazi but when you call them ngamagama wabo uthola ukuthi ngiyawazi angithi sikhulele kasi sikhula
Sure.
sonke so now how do you fix that to say yes uloya
Yeah.
Like, do you guys leave amagama wenu totally to say, akusigama lami leli mina, I don't use it?
Yeah.
Or you guys still say, no, ngiwunqobile vele, but ngumagesh. Or you just say, yeah, angisungqobile mina ngumagesh, ngibizi ngunqobile. What's
Okay.
the...
Yabona mawufika la ne. Most ama artists abafuna ukubizwa ngamagama wabo.
Okay.
Mva ukuthini that name stage name artist name ethola say popular. Ethola. Fana ukuthi lo muntu uyamdelela.
So
And ungangibiza ngegama lami.
yeah.
Ethola into le ngibize kanje ethola. So mina umuntu mangibiza unqobile fana nawe kangikhule fele nawe yabo. Like I won't mind. Ethola into igama lami. Ethola
But
ku
often
ID.
sibiza stage sithi welcome Nqobile on stage. Ufuna magesh mawufika stage. 'Cause
Yabona
that's
ke
your stage
manje.
name.
Phela it's business lapho.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Ethola,
Relevance to the name.
Abazi unqobile lapho.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah,
ubani
so-
loyo manje.
yeah, ubani
You know?
loyo,
Yeah,
so-
okay, it
so-
makes sense. It
yeah.
makes sense.
Okay, so I'm actually looking at 5 years from now. I want to say 5 years because guys cut is enough, ne?
Yeah.
You said that you are knocking kuminyango yama big labels as
Sure.
well, and nangapho push as promoter via your TikToks, your Facebook, and all your social media accounts.
Yeah.
Ne? That's now. How do you see yourself, especially as an artist, in the next 5 years? Let's say 2030. Like, ubonani? Are you still independent, or mhlawumbe recording label ethile, or
Yo, I see myself far.
yeah?
Yeah, ngizibona feeling fair.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all independent. By that time, independent. It's all ngizipusha feeling mina.
Yeah.
Brand yami, yeah, it's all into le.
You are aware, but you are saying this on camera. Ne?
I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all into le.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I see myself far. Yeah, it's all into le.
So manje, angithi you're an artist and mina sibizela as MK and Ithokoza Radio, right?
Yeah.
And Ithokoza Radio is a radio station yala eKaslago. So now say we as radio say sifuna music kamagesh. We want to promote your music because we want to promote ama artist vele.
Yeah.
So we say magesh sifuna ukungena into a deal now to say ingoma zakho sifuna la.
Yeah.
Right? Do we have someone we go through qala or sifika kuwe as radio and we say Mamela, this is what we want to give you ingoma zakho sifuna zidlale every day?
Yeah.
Like it's a segment A1 sithi la, this is the music we're using, for example as a jingle angithi mangena mina on air
Yeah.
ngena ngengoma kamagesh.
Yeah.
So how do you work around that?
Okay.
Ngiphi ingoma and then
Yeah, first of all angithi okwamanje angina manager. Yeah, it's all into ngisasiyi-one ngisazipusha. Daddy ngilezo ngithola vele phambili.
phambili
Yeah, it's all yeah, ngithola phambili yabo. So to play my song a radio station, yeah, it's all. As feeling ngiyi-one ngizipusha, I have to take it there.
yeah.
Yeah, it's all. Bayidlale. Yeah, it's all. I have to send it kuma email. They can't download my song bazokutshela vele nabo kuma digital platforms. Yeah, it's all. I have to take it there ukuze vele bayidlale.
So kumele simele wena usiphe, or we can come and say siyayicela sifuna ukuyidlala, or you have a preference to say I have specific stations that I'm looking at ngizobasendela yona.
Ay radio station. Yeah, it's all. Ukuthi like unama followers angakanani. Ifana na like yeah, it's all. I appreciate the platform. Yeah, it's ukuthi nama followers angakanani na. Yeah, it's all. As long as the platform, it's my first time standing like this. Yeah, it's all.
And we naturally ke ngiyasho ukuthi ke hayi, this is what you do for a living.
Nah, it's my first time ever. So I'm taking my music there. Ukuze feel ikhlaliwe
So you are open to ukuncedwa.
Ngiyangithola. Yeah.
Anyway ukuthi ufike la ufuna ukuya khona.
Umuntu ngabantu.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all. Yeah.
That's good.
Sure.
So
I
I
like
think
that.
I think we have asked my questions are enough for now. For now.
Hey one.
Yeah, like you umuntu omkhulu, like there's a
Yeah.
lot about you. Singakhuluma ilanga lonke now at this point.
Yeah.
But then we are towards the end of 2025.
Yeah.
Obviously akhona ama upcoming events esokubona kuwo. sicela usinikeze like ama-information ngawo lawo ma-events lawo sizokubona nini kuphi vows obusenzani.
Okay, like manje there's an event I'm planning to do November 29 Stokvel Samakhomusha. I'm hosting nalelo Stokvel Samakhomusha.
We bring imali kada
so sharelana imali mothi Stokvel sengicabanga imali
ngingazile ukuthi ngizofika la hayi sho ukuthi mama like leka maleli ne lifike nge-out yami shuthi i-out yami like ile out ile fika like with some random words yabo kodwa mawuthi vela njalo yabo vela afike nje abiza into gcina imali nami ngiyayithanda yabo lento so ngayithatha lento leyo there's a song ngibhalile vele ngayo ethi Stokvel Samakhomusha yabo yeah because of most of the time bathatha amapantula ezini abanamali so abomampara basekhoneni yetho sharp yetho
ene uvele uyiphethe okapi la kuwe
ngiphethe phone so ngiphethe phone
ipantsula mawuphethe okapi
back there
manje ushilo manje bakudala
okay kanje ngepantsula yabo because if we are going to say back then that means you are also those guys abachinge culture yabo.
You modify the culture.
You modify the, no man, we cannot modify culture, culture is
but
culture,
we move with
guys.
the times. I mean,
obvious.
Bheka
manje siphila emhlabeni wani. Yangithola into le.
Digital world.
That is
sure.
That is why
bazela ngeokapi ku interview e digital
because it's culture.
Mangibuza into wrong kwamele vele ngihlabe.
No. And manje I think sisisa lento ye violence.
What was the purpose? What was the purpose yokuthi ipantsula liphathi iokapi nje from the get go? Yabo?